how to get a magma rod. First, you're gonna talk to this NPC in Roslick Bay. Here. You're gonna talk to him, and once you talk to him, go here. Sorry for the lag. Follow my path. You're gonna see a campfire, and you're gonna see this. You're gonna go to this cave, and you can see this. Once you see this orc, talk to him. And once you talk to him, go back again. Bruh. Once he said he want a puffer fish. Let's go. This is the best spot for a puffer fish. Let's go. Here. Once you get this puffer fish, back to the earth. Go back to the earth and done. You can get the magma rod.